This is part one of the blue level. This is where it all begins, and it's all coming up.
There's a wind and it's blowing. There's a current that's running deep. I can't see but I know it. That something's not what it's meant to be. Hearing brother against brother now. Anger grows on divide.
Welcome everyone. I'm Aldon, founder and creator of DanceSystems. I create dance systems to allow everyone to learn partner dance, no matter your level, and to have a lot of fun along the way doing it. It has been my privilege to teach so many clients and watch them achieve their goals. After years and thousands of hours of teaching, I've developed the system, which is the DanceSystems method, that really helps people learn partner dance in a really fast and efficient way. And I've only ever seen great results using this system.
42 months building your height.
So the topic for today is the blue level part one. This is where we look at the L close movement. Please know within DanceSystems we use colors to learn different movements, and these movements can be learnt in any order but really come together in a nice way when danced. Also to mention, the video is quite structured, so we cover the follow and an explanation for the follow. We give the explanation for the lead, and then we teach how to lead the step. This then gets followed by a follow along, which is a great way to learn the solo movement as well as practice with your partner. Please watch through to the end where we cover the bonus tip that again really brings this movement together.
I don't need that in my life. I don't need.
So let's get into the content. The movement we're covering today is the L close. Now, as I mentioned before, this is a great movement to start the dance and also to feel your partner's balance. So let's go through it. We're going to start off with the follower's explanation. So as the follower, please always start on the right side. So all that's going to happen is we're going to step back on the right leg, and from there we're going to bring the left leg in. Now note, my toe position is not in line with my toe. It sits a little bit behind my right toe, and all my weight is balanced on my right leg. So let me show you that again. So I'm stepping back on my right leg, I'm bringing in my left leg, and all my weight is balanced on the right. From here, I'm going to do a side open. I'm going to extend my left leg, and then I'm just going to close. That's the movement. So let's just have a look at the whole movement in its entirety. So I'm going to be stepping 1, 2, 3, close, 4. So one more time. So 1, 2, 3, close, 4. I'm also going to show you from a different angle. So here we go. I'm stepping back on the right leg, 1, bringing it in 2, 3, close, 4. Just a styling tip for followers. As you step back with that left leg, instead of keeping it straight, it's quite nice just to angle it in a little bit to your right side. But that's a personal preference. So for the follows, I'm going to run through that step again. Please use the quick reference. Here we go. Stepping back 1, bringing in 2, stepping across 3, and closing 4. And from this angle, stepping back 1, bringing it in 2, stepping across 3, and closing 4. And my final tip on this movement for followers is when you do your side open, please step with your natural height. Please don't step too large or too small, just your natural height for a good look. So for the leads, how do you do this? Okay, let's have a look. For the leads, we always start with the left leg or the left side. So here we go. So from our 50-50 position, I'm going to shift weight into my right hip, my starting position. And from here, I'm going to step forward with my left. Just a natural step forward. After stepping forward for the left, I'm going to bring my right leg in. Notice the bent knee, because I need to use this knee to open my partner. So this is where the knee connection happens. From here, all I'm doing is I'm stepping out right with a natural open, and I'm closing with my left. So let me run that again. So stepping forward with the left, bringing in the right. Note, all my weight is on my left leg. I'm perfectly balanced. From here, I'm looking for the knee connection, making the connection, opening 3 and closing 4. Show you from this angle. So here we go. Stepping 1, bringing it in 2, going across 3 and closing 4. So leads. Again, here's your quick reference. Let's have a look at it. Stepping forward on 1, bringing it in 2, knee connection, opening 3 and closing 4. Let's have a look at it from this side. Stepping forward 1, looking for that knee connection, 2, stepping across 3 and closing 4. So leads, how do you actually lead this step? Okay, so let's run through it. Again, this lead is definitely from the frame, not too much on the arms. So all I'm doing from my start position, as I shift my weight into my right hip, you'll notice your partner will do exactly the opposite. Your partner will shift weight into the left hip. From there on, all I'm doing is I'm gently pushing forward with my frame. Again, nothing with the arms. So just stepping forward with the frame. 1, allowing my partner to transfer. After that, bringing it in and looking for the knee connection. From here, again, just holding my frame nice and firm. I'm just stepping to the right and I'm closing. Again, just shifting my weight. So now that we've gone through the explanation, it would be a great idea to partner up so that it will be easy for you to conceptualize what it looks like in partner. Okay. So here we go. So starting from our first step, this is me pushing forward on, waiting for my ready position, making my knee connection. That's the first step. I've shifted my weight. Now using my frame, I'm stepping forward, just ever so small. Note, that's not a big step at all. Bringing my second foot in, 2. This is where I make my knee connection. Notice again, my partner and me are perfectly balanced. Please carry your own weight. From here, I'm shifting across 3 and I'm closing 4. Okay. Let's have a look at it from this angle. So here we go again. So ready, there's our ready. Stepping forward 1. Please note, I'm so close to my partner's foot. Please don't step out too far. This is a common problem when people are learning to dance. Stay as close as you can. Challenge yourself to stay as close as you can to your partner without obviously bumping into your partner. So here we go. So stepping 1, shifting weight, making the knee connection, 2, pushing across 3, and closing 4. Join me and Kami for a follow along. This is such a great opportunity to practice and learn the steps. So take the theory and actually put it into practice. We're going to do it first in solo and then we're going to partner up. Here we go. I hope you're enjoying the content. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content with like-minded people that you know will benefit from this.
Waiting on you, we wax and we wane till the love concludes. 42 months, building you high, counting the days till the love runs dry. When you miss me, need me, fine without me, wanna leave me. I don't need that in my life. I don't need.
Welcome to the bonus section. You made it. We are going to be talking more about the kitten waiting position in this bonus section. And it's such an important movement because so many future steps are also based around this movement, and more importantly, the balance of this movement. So let's get into it. So if I show you this angle and the step is the follower, let me just explain something. As I'm stepping back with my right leg, you'll notice I'm not pitching my body forward and back. I'm keeping my body and my posture in my normal posture, upright position. I'm transferring always the feet move slightly before the body. So I'm moving my feet, I'm sending my body, and I'm transferring my weight. And as I land into the waiting position, you'll notice I'm perfectly balanced with all the weight on my right leg. Okay, so that was the first thing I wanted to say. From the lead's perspective, it's exactly the same, but from the other way. So stepping forward, note the feet move before the body. Stepping forward, I'm transferring my weight. Again, I'm not pitching backwards and forwards as I go. So it's 1, 2, and 1, 2. It's also a really good idea to practice this whenever you can. And from the follower's perspective, I'm just stepping back 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. You also might want to test your weight to make sure that it's properly transferred, 3 and 4. And from the lead's perspective, here we go, stepping 1 and 2, step back 3 and 4. Just make your steps the same size all the time. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I hope you've enjoyed the content, found it really useful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and please leave any comments below. I'd love to get back to you.
"42